differential equation. Bernoulli's differential equation. Is my voice is audible? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, fine,
Yes, sir.
fine. So in case of linear differential equation, we know that linear differential equation is nothing but dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x, right? Q of x. Okay. So in case of q of x, when we multiply with y of n, y power n. Okay. So the RHS we have nothing but q of x. It happens of q of x into y power n. That equation is called as the differential equation is in the form of this is called as Bernoulli's differential equation. Is called as Bernoulli's, right? Is called as Bernoulli's differential equation. Okay, now. So already you know that whenever we reduce to linear, the RHS term, whatever except x, we divide with that term, right? So like in reducible linear. So we have to divide this equation with y power n, right? We have to divide this with equation with y power n, okay? And this will be 1 by y power n dy by dx plus p of x into y by y power n equal to q of x. Okay. Okay. So this is 1 by y power n dy by dx plus this is p of x into this is y by y power n. I can write as y power 1 minus n. Y power 1 minus n. This is 1 power minus n equal to q of x. Equal to q of x. Okay. I call this as equation 1 and I call this as equation 2. Okay. I call this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay. So now, so here, what we have to assume generally, what we need to assume here generally, anyone? So this term we called as u, right? This term. Okay. So I called as y power 1 minus n as u. Okay. This term generally called as u, right? On an equation of reducible to linear lo chusavamma, same like. Okay. Same like here. Okay. So so differentiate this with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate x with respect to x on both sides. 1 minus n into y power 1 minus n minus 1 dy by dx equal to du by dx. Du by dx. So 1 minus n y power 1 gets cancelled minus n dy by dx equal to du by dx. So this will be nothing but 1 minus n 1 by y power n dy by dx equal to du by dx. Okay. So nothing but 1 by y power n dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 minus n du by dx. Du by dx. Okay. So here, this is what 1 by y power n dy by dx. I replace the values what we have. So equation 2 becomes the equation 2 we have 1 by y power n, right? This one is 1 by 1 minus n du by dx. 1 by 1 minus n du by dx. Du by dx plus p of x into u equal to q of x. So equation 2 la replace chesanamma. So ఇక్కడ 1 minus n, already we know that the coefficient of du by dx always be 1. So I multiply with 1 minus n. 1 minus n into p of x into u equal to q of x into 1 minus n. Okay. And of course, you know it, this is linear in u, which is linear in u, right? Which is linear in u. Okay. So once it is linear, you can solve this using of integrating factor. Okay. So likewise, you can convert the given Bernoulli's differential equation into okay linear equation. Okay. So by assuming y power 1 minus n as u, y power 1 minus n as u. Okay. So దీన్ని ఎలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు 1 by y power n minus 1 as u. Okay. Y power 1 by y power n minus 1 as u. Okay. 1 minus n, sorry, n minus 1 as u. Okay. Okay. Or y power minus of n minus 1 as u. Minus of n minus 1 as u. Okay. Okay. So, అంటే ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ అడుగుతారమ్మా ఫర్ కన్వర్టింగ్ బెర్నౌలీస్ ఈక్వేషన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద అజంప్షన్ అని అడుగుతారు, అందుకోసం చెప్తున్నాం. ఓకే. Yeah. So write down examples here. Write down examples here. Solve dy by dx plus y by x equal to y square x sin x. Okay. Y square x sin x. Okay. So what? So which is Bernoulli's differential equation? Because of the RHS, we have q of x into y power n. Okay. So which is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x into y power n. Okay. So therefore, which is Bernoulli's differential equation? Which is Bernoulli's differential equation. So divide this equation 1 with y power n. Our y power n has nothing but y square. Okay. Our y power n has nothing but y square. Okay. So dividing with y square, we have 1 by y square dy by dx plus y by x into y square equal to x sin x. Okay. This will be 1 by y square dy by dx plus this is 1 by x into 1 by y, because of 1 by y square is 1 by y is x sin x. So we have to assuming 1 by y as u, this will be as u. Okay, we know that. Derivative of this is minus 1 by y square dy by dx as du by dx. Right? So means that 1 by y square dy by dx as 1 by y square dy by dx as du by dx. So replacing this in 2, replacing this in 2 gives 1 by y square is minus du by dx plus 1 by x into u equal to x sin x. By multiplying with minus du by dx minus 1 by x into u equal to minus x sin x, which is linear in u, right? Which is linear in u. So what is p of x? Minus 1 by x. What is q of x? Minus x sin x. Minus x sin x. Okay. So now if is e power integral p of x dx, e power integral minus 1 by x dx, e power minus ln x dx, ln x, e power ln x power minus 1, so 1 by x. Any doubts, please? So IF is 1 by x. Our IF is 1 by x. So general solution is u into IF equal to integral q into IF dx plus c. So those who are not attended previous class, please go through my video. Already I have shared you. So already మీకు చెప్పాను ఇవన్నీ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాయమ్మా, ఇవన్నీ ఎలా వచ్చాయి అందుకే ముందే చెప్పాను మీకు. u into 1 by x equal to integral sin x dx. మైనస్ కదా, మైనస్ సారీ ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉందమ్మా. So integral sin x is minus cos x minus cos x. So u into 1 by x equal to cos x plus. What is u? 1 by y. 1 by y into 1 by x equal to cos x plus. So this is what our required solution. This is what our required solution. అయిపోయిందా? అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళకి ప్రాబ్లం రాసుకోండి. cos x dy equal to y into sin x minus y into dx. Cos x dy equal to y into sin x minus y into dx. సో ఈ dx ని వదిలి తీసుకొద్దాం. Cos x into dy by dx equal to y into sin x minus y square. Divide చేద్దాం cos x చేత. Dividing with cos x. dy by dx equal to y into sin x minus y square cos by cos x. So this is dy by dx equal to y into tan x minus y square by cos x. Minus y square by cos x. So this will be written as dy by dx minus y into tan x equal to minus y square by cos x. Minus y square by cos x.